Hey there, it's Allison from Perusall. Today, I'm going to show you how to buy a book in your Perusall course. Let's go. There are two ways to purchase books for your course, through the library or assignments. In the library, you will see a list of documents or textbooks needed to participate in the course. Or you can navigate to the Assignments tab and select an assignment that uses a textbook. From there, you will be prompted to purchase the book either using a credit or debit card. Or you can enter an access code if purchased from your institution's bookstore. Your code should start with the word Perusall, which must be entered along with the subsequent characters of the code. If your code does not contain the word Perusall, please contact your bookstore to receive the correct code. Some books have rental options. If you purchase a rental, the rental begins immediately when you purchase the book. Once the rental has expired, you will be prompted to repurchase the book at your next attempt to open it. To view your purchase, navigate to your account icon and click My Purchases under your profile picture. If you're using the same book in multiple courses, you only need to purchase the book once. And no longer need a book? Under My Purchases, click Refund Request. Publishers have different rules for refunds, especially when ebooks can be returned. So be sure to refer to the publisher's return policy on the checkout page when you are purchasing a book. For more information on refunds, check out our video here, or click our logo to learn more of what Perusall has to offer.